Hey, Alex and Thomas. What day is it today?
Valentine's. Yeah, Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day. Did you give Mommy a card?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thomas, what are you doing? Are you doing some building? Yeah?
No, next week.
Is Valentine's Day a good day for a present?
Yeah.
Why don't you go sit with Thomas and Mommy has a present for you?
We always start our presents with a card, don't we?
Alex and Thomas. Mommy, it's a baby.
A baby who?
Ricky.
What does it say? It says, "Hi there, sweetie. Wishing lots of moments filled with kisses, hugs, and fun for a Valentine cutie who's adored by everyone. Love, Mommy and Daddy." Ah, stay on the coach. So there's your names are on each little package, okay? And there's a couple little packages in each.
This is mine.
Okay, this one's yours, Thomas.
Chocolate.
Who is it?
Let me do it in the goal. 2 boys.
Let's see. Thomas and Alex. So what did you get? Show Alex. You got Toy Story stickers. What did you get? You got Cars stickers. Oh, here, look what these ones. Thomas and Alex.
You guys must like us a lot.
We love you so much.
Stickers! Winnie the Pooh! Winnie the
And
Pooh!
what kind of stickers did you get?
Emma, take you like Emma, you can see.
Let's see. Who we got? Alex and Thomas.
Sticky tape.
What are those little cards that were on the ears? Oh.
Just remember what your old self said. Oh, you got a friend. Hey, Nemo, and he's winking.
Look on the back of it. There's a picture on the back too.
Hey.
They're the same, aren't they?
No.
Yep, turn it around. Turn it around. Turn it around, Alex. Look. There you go.
Hey.
It's on front and back, isn't it?
Tosh, look at the front.
Did you notice anything about all these presents?
What? What?
Did you notice that they all are Disney kind of things? Isn't that kind of neat? Well, there's one more present. You have to sit down to have it.
You like me, Thomas.
Okay. Thomas, this is yours. And this is yours.
Can you open it?
Nope. Do you know what it says?
Can you read it, Alex?
It says, you are going to Disney World in 10 days.
It's gonna be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yep.
Yeah.
You're going to get to see all of those characters in 10 days.
Thomas, come on.
Look, Thomas, look. You're going to get to see Nemo there, and you're going to get to see maybe that shark. And look, you're going to get to see Buzz and Woody and all the Cars guys and
What about Mickey?
Mickey, most importantly. So, is that like the best present ever? You get to go see Mickey Mouse? Go to Disney World, Alex? You want to go to Mickey Mouse's home?
Yep, we're gonna get to go on a plane too.
Yep.
2 planes.
2 planes to go to Mickey Mouse and see Mickey Mouse. All right, well that's pretty exciting news, isn't it? You excited? How many days? 10 days. Woohoo!
Oh, really only 10, right, Thomas?
78, 79,